An integral part of GeoWiki X is receiving information from members. It is important for members to contribute to the growing number of points of interest and provide reliable information on sites. To add a new location, click on Add New Point of Interest. Only the items marked with an asterisk are required, but we ask you to try and provide as much information as possible. All sites are checked by our CMCA moderators before going live onto the site. You can also submit additional information on existing sites. Visit the site, and in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen there will be Add Images, Add Cost, and Add Review. All of these submissions will be approved by our CMCA moderators. If there is an issue with a point of interest, click Report this point of interest and write an explanation of what the problem is. This will go through to our moderators to be addressed.